Compare decimals through thousands. Complete the inequality with greater than, less than, or equal to sign. So we have to compare these two numbers and we have to say which is greater, smaller, or equal. How do we compare 2.71 with 8? One is a decimal number and another is integer. Now remember that in integer the last digit has units digit, and in decimal number the digit before the decimal is units digit. So we have to write it in such a way that the units digits are in the same place. So 8 has to be written below 2. You can imagine that 8 is, after 8 you can put a decimal point, because 8 is units digit. Now you have to start comparing from left, as we did in comparing integers. So is 2 bigger or 8 bigger? 8 is bigger. 2 is smaller than 8. So the comparison ends there and the answer is 2.71 is smaller than 8. We will write the two numbers. 4.090. The second number is 4.09. Always remember that the decimal numbers have to be vertically aligned. Now let us start comparing. 4 and 4 are the same. 0 and 0 are the same. 9 and 9 are the same. Here we have 0, here we have nothing. In a decimal number, we can put any number of zeros at the end. So we can treat this also to be 0. And now you can see that both numbers are equal. This is a very important thing that you have to remember, that after a decimal number, you can put any number of zeros. Four hundred point 9 and 49.5. Remember that the decimal has to be aligned. If you remember this, you will not have any difficulty in comparing decimal numbers. 49.5. Now the first digit itself, 4 is bigger than, if you want you can put a 0. 4 is bigger than 0, so 400.9 is bigger than 49.5. Now remember this, that in a decimal number you can put zeros on both sides. The last sum we put it on the right side. In this sum we are putting it on the left side. We can also put it on the right side. So putting zeros on the left of decimal number as well as on the right of decimal number does not change the value of the number. So the answer is 400.9 is greater than 49.5. 71.08. 71.106. Compare the first digit, same. Compare the second digit, same. In the third digit, 71.08 is smaller than 71.106. So the answer is smaller. Sixteen point five and 16.45. Let me bring out an important aspect. We never say 16.45. We say 16.45. Why? Because if we were to say 16.45 and this we will call 16.5, then one would tend to think that 45 is bigger than 5. But as you will see in this sum, that is not the case. Let us start comparing. 1 digit 1 is same, second digit is the same. In the third digit, 5 is bigger than 4, so 16.5 is bigger than 16.45. When we say 16.5 is bigger than 16.45, it sounds okay. If we were to say 16.5 is bigger than 16.45, it sounds wrong. That is why we never say 16.45. We will say 16.45. $60.3 and 60.44. Once you have written the decimals alignment correctly, you will not have any difficulty. 6 is same, 0 is same, 3 is less than 4. Therefore, 60.3 is less than 60.44. Zero point 0.08, 0.009. Let us compare. 0 is same, second digit also same, third digit 8 is greater than 0. So 0.08 is greater than 0.009. This again demonstrates that principle that we should say 0.08 and 0.009. If we were to just say 0.8 and 0.9, it will be wrong. So the answer is greater than.